My name is Tommy Din. I represent Midway City Bond Collision Centers. iScans has a lot of function for me to do European vehicles and Asian vehicles. That's why I choose iScan. Cycle time is very important to us is because we need to return the vehicle to a customer as soon as possible. That's our main goal. I choose a scan tool for my technician is because I needed to do certain things for the scanners, and right now vehicles need it to be programmed, reinitialized more often because the new vehicle, new technology is coming out. So everything you unplug, it needs to be initialized. I do utilize iScan support for Midway City. We do a lot of European vehicle down here, so every single time I need help, I give them a call and they'll deliver for me. iScan help out a lot by European vehicles. I work on Sprinters a lot, and every parts I replace, it had to be like SCR coatings and initialized on those softwares. iScan SODs, we do use it for our pre-collision. I have one Sprinter that I needed to get the program for the pre-crash collisions, and iScan took care of it for me. I've been doing this for the past 20 years. I've been using a lot of scanners. The iScan is fast, easy, and reliable.